Have you been looking for a bunch of workflows and you just want them all in the same place? Well, you can get them directly from inside Comfy. All you got to do is this.
If you don't want to miss my next video, hit that subscribe button, because YouTube ain't going to tell you.
Go to ComfyUI User Default Workflows and then type CMD. When the console opens, go over to my GitHub and grab the URL to clone. Paste the URL in and hit enter. So once you've done that, close the terminal, head back into Comfy. Sometimes you have to push R, but when you now go into your workflows, you'll now see that there is a workflows folder. If you don't see it, just refresh your browser and there it is. When you open it up, you'll see all of my workflows are now available for you. And the best part is, because I'm always adding new workflows to this, all you got to do is go back to that ComfyUI User Default Workflows, DJZ-Workflows, and if you do a CMD in here, open up a terminal, and then you can do a git pull to check for updates. We're already up to date, but no doubt tomorrow there'll be something else, and that'll stop you having to download this 300,000 times. So there it is.